Alright guys, welcome back to the Upstate Angler. I'm down here on the Genesee River today, hoping to do some ultralight fishing and see if we can't get on some smallmouth and some trout. I've fished here a few times this year and it's been really great fishing, so hopefully we'll get on some. Well, finally got something. Took the ultralight a little bit further downriver. Got a nice little smallmouth here. Just a little guy, little baby. We'll keep tossing this out, see if we can get anything else on it. Alright, we're finally on to a decent smallmouth on the ultralight. Nice looking fish. I realized after I got down here I didn't have my net. This might be a little tricky getting him in. He's probably a solid 2 pounds. Just inhaled this tiny swim bait I had. And he's ran probably 3 times already. Got 3-pound micro ice on, so let's see if we can get him. Oh, he's not ready to give up yet. I don't want to break him off though. That is a beauty. 3-pound micro ice. Tiny swim bait I got on there. Just a little ultralight swim bait. That is a nice fish. Solid 2, I'd say. Snap a quick picture and get him back in the water. Oh, there he's gone. Had a really nice hit and lost it, so let's see if he's still there. There he is. Got him. What do we got on this time? Another smallmouth. Nice little guy. Nothing real big. Bigger than the first one we caught, but nowhere near as big as that last one. Nice looking fish. There we go. Got him. Nice little guy. Nothing big. Decent fish. Get a nice picture. Send him back on his way.